Hi guys, welcome back. This is Aditya here. So this video will be series 2 abs workout. The previous video was series 1 abs workout. So as I told you before, while doing the series 1 abs workout, I'll be releasing 4 series 1, 2, 3 and 4. So each series will be adding in series 1, if you have noticed, I have added only one variation, like upper one variation, lower one variation and the obliques. For all three I have added each one variations. So in the series 2, what we'll do is we'll try to hit the each, like lower, upper and obliques. We'll try to hit each of the muscle with the 2 variations. So it's going to be intense. As I told you, as we goes on the series 3 and the series 4, we're going to burn those abs. So make sure, I always tell in all my videos that before doing series 1 or series 2, you watch my all the abs workout to prevent neck pain and the lower back pain, especially for the beginners. Intermediate and advanced, nothing to worry, you can directly follow my series 1 abs workout and the series 2 workout. So in the series 2, what I'll be doing in this video is, for the lower abs, I'll be including 2 variations. One is the double leg raises and the reverse crunch. For the upper, I'll be including upper crunch and the toe reaches. Then for the obliques, I'll be doing cycle crunch and the toe taps. Then for the core, I'll be including 1 minute plank, and for the oblique, I'll be including a side plank, 30 seconds on the each side. So today my fitness partner is Soumya is here. So before any workout, as usual in all my videos, I take care about the precautions to be maintained for the lower back pain, too much stress on the lower back. So I always start with a warm up, and after abs I always do it with a cool down and with the breathing. So first we'll start with the warm up. Okay, lie down on your abdomen. Okay, hands beside your lower chest. Inhale up 3 times. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Now back, go from here, go back to child pose. Okay, now lie down on your back now. Okay, now both hands shoulder width apart, palm facing the ceiling. Now legs into tabletop. Now as you exhale, drop both the knees towards your right and turn your neck towards the left. Inhale center. Exhale left, turn your neck on the right. Inhale center, both legs straight. Bend your right leg, hug it. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back. Change leg. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back. Now bend, hug both the knees. Exhale, chin in between your knees. Inhale, head back. Now rock and roll 3 times, tap your toes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now back. Now we'll start. Now first one will be for the upper abs. So first what we'll do is, first the upper abs, normal. So people who are intermediate and advanced can watch me, and beginners, people who are lower back pain, neck pain can watch Soumya. Okay, so the first one what we'll do is, we'll start with the upper crunch. Okay, hands behind the ears, don't interlock. Okay, she's going to drop her feet down. I'm going to do it in the tabletop. Okay, now 15 reps. Chalo, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now the next variation for the upper abs will be the toe reaches, both legs up, hand up, hands parallel, exhale up, inhale down. Okay, 1, exhale when you crunch, inhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now we finished upper abs. Now we are going for the lower abs. Lower will be double leg raises and the reverse crunches. So now we'll start with the double leg raises. Okay, so as you exhale, both legs up, inhale down. Okay, so start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now next variation is going to be the reverse crunches. 15. Exhale when you crunch both the knees towards your chest, and then inhale, straight is the breathing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, last one, 15. Okay, so we finished upper and lower now. Now back to obliques, reverse crunches, cycle crunches and the toe tap. So cycle crunches, both side we are going to do counting as 1. When you crunch, both side is 1, so 15, so obviously it will be 30. Okay, chalo, now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Back. Now the next variation for the obliques will be the love handles, or the obliques will be the toe tap. Little feet apart, feet apart, knees apart, hands right besides your heel or your butt, whichever you are flexible. Now both sides I am going to counting as 1, and we are going to do 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so now back to last one, elbow plank for the 1 minute, and the next one will be the side plank for 30 seconds. Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, chalo, start. Fifteen, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. The last one is going to be the elbow plank. Side plank. Each side we are going to do it 30 seconds. Okay, so start. Okay, change back. Last one on the other side. I have showed all the correct postures in my previous abs workout video, so watch that before you, for the beginners and people who have back injuries and neck. I have covered it on all. Then you can start with the series 1 and the series 2. Okay, back. So now we are going to do cool down. Means always after any workout, otherwise most importantly when you do abs, it's very important to, whatever the stress you put on the lower back, it's important to release it out. Hands besides your lower chest. Inhale up, exhale down. 2 times. Up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. From here we go to child pose. Then back, lie down on your back. Both legs straight, legs into table, hands into shoulder width, palm facing the ceiling, shoulder level. Lift both the legs into tabletop. As you exhale, drop both the knees towards your right, turn your neck left. The warm up and cool down is similar, guys, because what happens is while doing abs, I mainly concentrate on the lower back and a little bit on the hip region. Now inhale, and turn your neck on the left, right, drop your knees towards left, center. Now both legs straight, bend your right leg, hug it, exhale, chin to the knee, because mostly when you're doing abs, it mostly comes on your lower back and on your neck. Change, exhale, chin to the knee, inhale, head back. Now bend, hug both the knees, exhale, chin in between your knees, inhale, head back. Now rock and roll 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, last one, 5. Okay, so this one was the series 2 workout, abs workout. Next one will be the series 3 with each like lower, upper and obliques. We are going to include 3 variations, and the 4th one I told you will be very intense. All dynamic abs movement will be including, and hope you follow my previous video to get the postures correct on the breathing pattern and your neck pain, and the people who have neck pain and the lower back pain. Hope you do that, and don't only depend on these abs workout. Always remember that in all my abs video I have told 80% diet, 20% exercise, and abs are always made in kitchen. So only don't be depend like people have wrong conception when they are going to do abs, you're going to get abs. No, what you eat is always important. So eat right, and hope you like the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.